Hey guys, good morning. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I hope you all are doing well. I've got a heck of a work truck to show you this morning. 2020 Kenworth T880 with a small coffin sleeper on it. It's built with 14 fronts, 46 rears, 18 speed, X15 Cummins, 500 horsepower, with a wet kit and full lockers. So if you're looking for something to go to work with, a little beefier, this would be it. I've gotten it hot this morning. Gonna do a full walk around, show you everything that we got. Let's get started. $290 on the clock. See the operating or the temps up. You got a really good low side oil pressure. Super responsive. So this truck's a one owner, clean Carfax, is lease maintained. Really good shape. So let's take a look at the outside, do a walk around. Excellent steers. Underneath the hood's really clean. Your body and paint's in really good shape on this one as well. Fenders are clean, bumper's straight, grill, everything's just really nice. There's your wet kit tank back here. Only blemishes I see, you've got some rock dings in the back here. Nothing major, but if you're going to try to pick it apart, that's any type of flaws, that'd be about it as far as body and paint. It's not major. Probably before they had these half fenders on there, some slinging some rocks. All aluminum slider. Got a blockable fifth wheel if you needed a wet kit for that. All frameless. Tanks and steps, everything's really straight. Your wet kit nozzle there. Appreciate you guys watching. If you got questions on this one or anything else that we've got, feel free to give me a shout. 901-896-4526. You can also reach me, Joey, at truckmarket.com by email. Thanks for watching.